Hello viewers, I'm Asma and you're watching Virtuoso Palette, your own art channel. Today I'm beginning a new series of paintings that is a continuation of silhouettes. But the topic is meditation, yoga. So let's go to look, watch and observe. But don't forget to comment and share with your friends who are yoga lovers.
And dear viewers, I'm preparing the base of my mini canvas of Virtuoso Palette using primary blue, orange, white, magenta pink and some violet and black. I shall be blending these well for a smooth base. Viewers, people adopt different ways to meditate, and the most practiced exercise all over the world is yoga. I'm blending these paints, the colors. Now, I was telling you about yoga. The most common benefit of yoga are that it improves strength, balance and flexibility. Then it helps with back pain relief. It can ease arthritis symptoms. Yoga benefits heart health. It relaxes you to sleep better, and it really helps you manage stress. Now you can see that the base colors are all there, and I just need to blend the colors, creating layers. Viewers, the yoga pose I'm about to paint is Sukhasana. Sukhasana is commonly known as easy pose in English. Now let's quickly go through the benefits of this pose. It helps in relieving the knees pain. If your knee is, giving you a tough time, it helps relieving its pain. It also helps in relaxing tight shoulders and removes the tensions of shoulders. And also arms. It calms the mind and body both. But just remember that we should take guidance from a professional yoga instructor always, as it shouldn't be practiced in case of knee injury or sciatica, and it shouldn't be practiced in case of slipped disc, etc. So never start any kind of exercise without a professional instructor. All the paints I told you, the colors are there. I'm just adding a bit of white or a few tones of blue to blend more, creating more layers. I've added some black for a darker shade. Adding some white, blending it with the previous layer. Now the base is almost done. And there's the stencil. I've placed it for the pose Sukhasana isolated, the yoga pose. I'm filling violet mixed with black in the stencil. Now I'm taking off the stencil and we'll fix the lady practicing Sukhasana. Let's create some reflection first of the figure. Viewers, it's not pure black. I've added some violet in it for the reflection also. And I've already mentioned all the colors I have used here. Now the head of the figure. I'm adding more shades. Just using darker shades and white to give a lighter tone. Violet, white, black, primary blue. These are the colors I have used in this painting. Viewers, I'll be waiting for your feedback on the platform or your own art channel, Virtuoso Palette.
Viewers, I expect that you liked this version of silhouettes too. See you in the next video with another silhouette. Till then, bye.